The study suggests that at least 1,300 to 1,500 bird species, 12% of the total, have gone extinct since the late Pleistocene, with 55% of these extinctions undiscovered. The Pacific accounts for 61% of total bird extinctions. Bird extinction rate varied through time with an intense episode in 1300 CE, which likely represents the largest human-driven vertebrate extinction wave ever, and a rate 60 to 95 times the background extinction rate. Thus, humans have already driven more than 1 in 9 bird species to extinction, with likely severe, and potentially irreversible, ecological and evolutionary consequences.
This article was authored by Cooke, Ferran, Sayol, Tobias, Andermann, and others.